Hey guys, welcome to Brevity, and today we're going to solve a very popular LeetCode problem called linked list cycle. So the problem statement is quite simple. You have a linked list as an input and you need to check if it has a cycle or not. So what you consider as a cycle, any node in the linked list is connected to a different node of the same linked list. So if you want to traverse through a linked list, it keeps repeating the same nodes over and over again. So this is called a cycle. And to solve this, we're going to use a variation of a two-pointer method known as the hare and tortoise method. So in hare and tortoise method, you have 2 pointers. One is a fast pointer, one is a slow pointer. The fast pointer, we traverse 2 nodes at a time, and slow pointer traverse 1 node at a time. So what this method says is, if that's a condition and we have a cycle, the fast and the slow pointer will both meet at one point, thereby confirming that there's a cycle in the linked list. So if you want to have a detailed understanding of why this works, you can check on my friend's Vignesh video down in the description where he explains this detailedly. But if you don't want to check this out, just check out this montage from the X-Men video where one is moving faster and one is moving slower and they meet. So now we're going to try to implement this using Python. So first of all, we need 2 pointers, a pointer fast which points to the head and a pointer slow which also points to the head, because head is the first node in the linked list, so they both start at the same position. Now while fast, which means while the fast pointer still is in the same frame, which means if there is no cycle and the linked list comes to an end, so in which case the fast pointer will be a null or something, so we can just break from the while loop then and we can just return false. So false means there's no cycle. So while fast and fast dot next. So if there is no cycle and if we reach the end of the linked list, the fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list. If there is no next dot, if there's no next pointer, we can just break from the while loop and we can return it's not a cycle by returning false. So while this is the case, in each iteration the slope pointer gets incremented by 1 position, slow dot next, and the fast pointer gets incremented by 2 positions, so dot next. So the whole slow pointer fast pointer, it forms a cycle only if both the pointers meet. So if slow equal to fast, it means both the pointers meet, we can just return there is a cycle, so we can just return true. So if this doesn't happen, if both the pointer doesn't mean, it means there is no cycle. So at one point the fast will go to the last index and it will break, and in which case we can just return false. So just run this. So yeah, it's quite fast. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content.